Hello everyone. Did you know if you gift your house to someone and they stop taking care of you, the law allows you to cancel the gift deed? Yes, the Delhi High Court has confirmed it again based on Daljit Kaur versus Varinder Kaur, Delhi High Court, September 2025. Case story. Let's talk about the case of Daljit Kaur versus Varinder Kaur. An 88-year-old senior citizen, Daljit Kaur, gifted her Janakpuri property to her daughter-in-law Varinder Kaur in 2015. But after getting the property, the daughter-in-law allegedly stopped maintaining her, denied her basic physical needs, misbehaved with her, made her life miserable. So, Daljit Kaur went to the authorities under Section 23 of the Senior Citizen Act 2007 and said, I have gifted the property trusting she will care of me, but now I am neglected. Cancel the deed. The tribunal rejected her request, but the district magistrate allowed her appeal and cancelled the deed. The case then went to the Delhi High Court. Court's reasoning. The Delhi High Court made one very important statement. Every gift from a senior citizen to a family member carries an implied condition of love, care, and maintenance. Even if the gift deed does not have a maintenance clause, the court said when a senior gives property out of love and affection, they expect care and basic support. If the donee fails to provide that care, then under Section 23, subsection 1 of the Senior Citizen Act, the gift deed becomes legally void. The court examined all the documents filed by Daljit Kaur and found it clear evidence of neglect. So, the High Court upheld the cancellation of the gift deed. In simple words, if you don't care for the seniors who gifted you the property, you lose the property. Legal takeaway from the story. Here's what this judgment means for everyone. A senior citizen can revoke a gift deed if the donee neglects them, doesn't provide basic needs, abandons them, harasses them. The gift deed does not need an express conditions like you must maintain me. A complaint under Section 23 is enough to cancel the gift. So remember, property taken without care is equal to property lost. This judgment protects every senior citizen in India. If you know someone who gifted property and is now suffering, this case can change their life. Your rights, your law in a simple way. For more such legal information, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube and Instagram channel. Thank you.